Okay, gotta make this really quick. But here are 2 Goodman heat pumps at a model home. Here's one. Heat pump reversing well. It's over there. Hope this doesn't turn on, because I remember this model from like about 2 years ago. These things are loud. Heat pump. And still I have to make this quick. So this is a 2-ton from 2006. And this is a 14-seer. And it is a 4-ton from 2010. How many seer is this? Let me go see. These both got 3 blades. Goodman. Okay, don't see where it says a seer on here. These both have Copeland scroll compressors. Sorry about that. And yeah, they both have 3 blades. They're both heat pumps. That one's a 2-ton. That one's a 4-ton. Okay, bye.